Follow these steps to edit public profile on Snapchat. Launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, navigate to the avatar icon given at the top left. Once you're over here, click on the option of public profile. Once you're in the public profile, click on the pen kind of icon given at the top. Now, from here, you are able to edit your profile information. You can add anything to your bio. Likewise, you can update your location. Also, you are able to show follower count, or also you can disable for this option. Likewise, click on the settings icon. From here, you are able to customize these profile settings, preview your profile, manage public story, notification, likewise access support. Then you can head back. Here, you are able to add stories, likewise spotlights. And over here, you're gonna find all the insights for your public stories, likewise profile. So this way you are able to edit public profile on Snapchat. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.